Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Google Chrome on Dell laptop. To do this, first we'll need to open our browser, the one that you have installed, and by default it should be Microsoft Edge. Then start without your data. Don't allow. I just want to open a browser. Finally, when you get through all of that forced clicks, you can start looking for Google Chrome. So just in the empty tab, enter Google Chrome. Then you should see all of the results. Make sure to follow the official Google website, which should look like this, and click on the browser. Then download the Chrome. Here you can click on the downloads and begin the setup for the Chrome. So when the setup is finished, it should automatically launch your Chrome, and here you can sign in to synchronize your previous account with this laptop. In this case, I'm going to skip that. Then we can set our Google Chrome as a default browser by clicking Set as Default. And finally, our browser should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.